Watch for thunderstorms with possible hail and a slight chance of a...
Hello, dispatch.
Hi, our power just went out.
When a member calls with a power outage, the call comes into dispatch. We have dispatchers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day, holidays, it doesn't matter.
Okay, so that meter did come back without power, so we'll go ahead and get our guys headed that way for you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. We work hard for the members, and we'll come in early and we'll stay late. All of the processes that we do in the end are to restore the power to the member as quickly as we can. Dispatch to 4011 or 3018.
Yeah, go ahead.
We have a member with a tree on the service line on the EJ3 164 lead, pole 51C as in Charlie.
7-4.
We have 9 service areas, basically up and down the whole west side of the state. Each one of those service areas has linemen on call again 24/7, 365 days a year.
If we're on call and we get a call from dispatch, sometimes you're in the middle of anything, so it could be kids' birthday parties, grilling on the grill, you just drop it and head for the truck.
Anytime we see weather coming, we kind of go into prep mode.
The most difficult part of our job is, I would say, storm work when it first hits, because you never know how big it's going to get or the amount of damage that's going to happen.
Safety is everything. We can't do our job without safety being at the forefront at all times. The moment they get the call to go out there, we're already talking about what hazards are there. Everything's a little bit different depending on whether it's snowing outside, whether it's mud, high wind, so you gotta take everything into consideration. The dispatch will know that a particular section of line's out, but they're not gonna know where the problem is. One thing that we do have is what we call bird dogs, and they're trained to go out and look at the lines ahead of the linemen and let us know what type of problem it is. If we know there's broken poles ahead of time, we can load up for it so that when we go out there, we have the tools and materials that we need to do it.
If it's a main feeder that goes out, the fault could be down 20 miles south of these people's house or north of their house.
We have to get the circuits that heat up their circuit done first, so they might not see somebody right away, but they're out there working.
We're all focused on, getting the power back on and getting it back on safely. It's a dangerous job we do. So we're working anything from rain to snow to high winds to lightning storms to hail. We're in woods, swamps, lakes, rivers.
When we have a major storm event, we all work together to get the common goal of getting people's lights back on. Whether it's operations, vegetation, dispatch, engineering, all the departments work well together.
I think the guys really enjoy storm work. I think they shine during that period of time. Getting people's power back on kind of brings a smile to their face.
The best part about our crew here at Great Lakes is everybody seems to have the same mentality of wanting to go out and get as many members back on as they can. It's more than a job. We take pride in helping our communities. A lot of the people that you help are people that are your neighbors, they're your friends.
There's nothing like satisfaction of being a lineman and getting people's power back on.